But let me ask you a question, because something that I know you focused on Nirvana, and while this is probably a learning stage for her to kind of create that content, what about the idea of what's your thoughts of like a, not a brand ambassador, but maybe like I don't want to say spokesperson. I don't know what the right word is.
I think brand ambassador is the right word. That's what I know that Ezra, who's another educator in my world, he does he has an ambassador program in which he gets his own people that buy products from him to do testimonial videos about the use of the products. That's really, really valuable. If you wanted to bring a big player ambassador, well, then that's great, but it's expensive, right? Unless you had somebody that wants to partner with your brand and wants to be the one, like Cindy was for him, or my dad was for me. You got to make these guys partners. If you have that person, then that's very powerful and it's successful. Generally, you would have to make people partners if you're going to require them to become the ambassador for your brand. But something that's really powerful that you can use for scale and for growth is getting these people to make videos about the use of your products, because you can use that for what we call top of the funnel. That's called user generated content. You can have people talk about your product and use them and wear them and submit a video, and they can get a $50 gift card in exchange for participating or something. And that could be used for generating ads, sales on the ads, which is something that we highly recommend for sure. Like the first video ads that you guys can run, something that you guys could do would be, you can literally come over here with another girl, whoever, and we can put you on the green screen and you guys can have a product video ad and we can record it. And that could be something that we can use to test out these $500 over here that we recommend.
We had a big influencer use the palette. And I tried to promote this video on Facebook ads, but I used traffic instead of conversions just to drive more traffic to the website. And honestly, we didn't get any sales from it. When she spoke about the product itself on Instagram, we got, I think, 5 or 6 sales directly from Instagram. But when I tried to promote the video on Facebook ads and I think Snapchat, we didn't get anything.
Did you use her Facebook page or yours?
No, I used mine.
Okay. That's something that they recommend, that if you want to succeed on the influencer ads, you use their Facebook page.
So ask her permission to use the ad on her Facebook page?
Yeah. So here's what this girl does that she's really good at it. That's her company is built on influencer marketing. What she says is, look, I want to run ads directly on your page. And I'm going to pay you 5% of whatever I spend on, not whatever I make, whatever I spend on advertising on your page. So for example, if you spend $1,000, you cut her a $50 check. And you're using the person's Facebook page directly. That's going to increase your credibility. So instead of you using a page that maybe people don't know as much yet, which is your brand, you use her page, the influencer's page, which immediately captures people's attention and they feel more trust. So I know that these influencers, they just need money sometimes because they don't have enough money themselves coming in. So it's very easy to work out those deals. Look, I got the deal for you. I'm going to spend money on your account, on your Facebook page. All you got to do is grant me access to your page, and I'm going to be running some ads with your page. And this is the ad that we're running. And it's going to be 5% of whatever we advertise is going to be yours. And that's it. And now you can try that again.
Okay. I have never heard of it. That's good to know.
Yeah, so that one is a strategy that I learned last year. All right. And that's what they're doing because it immediately increases your credibility by using the person's page and not the brand's page. So from the person, let's say, for example, Kylie Kardashian or whatever, from that page, it goes to your website, not from your brand page.